This is an overview of the BIOFLO 110 bioreactors. First, we're going to go over the parts. Right here you have your vessel, and it's filled with 2 liters of distilled water. If you fill it up, make sure you measure how much you're putting in so that you can know when you're doing your calculations. This is an RTD. It measures the temperature of your reactor. This is a dissolved oxygen sensor. It measures the percentage of dissolved oxygen in your fluid. This is the motor, which rotates your agitator. You can control the speed at which agitation occurs in your reactor. And right here you have your flow in. This runs down in through a sparger, that little loop down at the bottom. You can see the small holes. Bubbles will form throughout your vessel. Now to go over the computer unit. This is connected to your airline. This is your nitrogen line. It runs into the other room, up through the ceiling. And this is the flow into your reactor. It actually flows first into your rotometer so that you can control the flow rate, and then up into your reactor. So once you turn it on, power button's down here. After a few seconds, you'll see a screen like this. As you can see, everything is off right now. You don't need to pay attention to the pumps or the pH. Just focus on temperature, agitation, dissolved oxygen, and this bottom row here. In order to change the temperature or any of these controls, select what you want to change, in this case temperature. Create a set point. This is the temperature you want the reactor to go to. So once you click that, say 25 degrees, press the enter. And so your set point, you see it as 25. And right now it's still off. So press Control, and auto turns it on. So your control is now on auto. The output, that's the power being given to the heater right here. And it will adjust and automatically go to the set point. To back out, press X. And say I wanted to change agitation. I do the same thing. Set point. Say, I think it goes up to 300. Enter. Then Control Auto. It'll take a second and then you'll see this turn on. And to turn it off, just press Control Off. To back out, press X. Now let's talk about the airlines. Here, open up your airline. Make sure it reads no higher than 10 psi. You don't want to rupture the vessel. Here is your local control. So this opens it up to this unit. So you can open that. You can see there's nothing flowing in yet. We have to go into the computer for it to flow through first. Then you're going to come over here